Welcome to my YouTube channel, VitaBite. Every year, millions of people slowly lose their kidney function without even realizing it. And the most alarming part is this decline often goes unnoticed until the damage is already advanced. Right now, there is a real possibility that your kidneys are filtering far less efficiently than they were just a decade ago, sometimes by 30 to 40%, and you may not feel anything unusual yet. But here's something most people never hear clearly. This decline is not always a one-way road. In many cases, kidney function can be supported and improved when the right changes are made, especially through specific foods that directly influence filtration, fluid balance, and internal inflammation. Some of these changes can begin showing effects surprisingly fast, such as reduced swelling in the legs and ankles within just a couple of days, or a noticeable lift in energy that feels like your system is waking up again after being slowed down for years. In this video, we are going to break down 6 powerful kidney-supporting foods, ranked from the least effective to the most impactful, based on nutritional science and clinical research. The final food on the list is especially interesting because studies suggest it can improve kidney filtration markers by up to 25% in just 1 month, which is a significant shift for such a short period of time. Now think about your daily life. If you are waking up feeling puffy, struggling with fatigue during the day, or noticing swelling in your lower body by evening, these are not random symptoms. They often reflect how efficiently your kidneys are managing fluid and waste inside your body. And what you are about to learn might be sitting in your kitchen right now, completely overlooked, not because it doesn't work, but because most people were never taught how to use it correctly. Before we go deeper, it's important to understand what is actually happening inside your kidneys over time. After the age of 50, kidney filtration naturally begins to decline at an estimated rate of about 2% per year. That might sound small, but over a decade it becomes a noticeable reduction in performance. The tiny filtering units inside your kidneys, known as glomeruli, are responsible for cleaning your blood continuously. When they begin to weaken, waste builds up more easily, fluid starts to accumulate, and the entire system becomes less efficient. This is not just about swelling or changes in urine. When kidney filtration slows, it affects your entire internal balance. Your body retains more toxins, your circulation becomes less efficient, and other organs are forced to compensate. Over time, this can lead to deeper internal strain that you may not immediately connect to kidney health. Many people are told to simply drink more water, reduce salt, and avoid certain foods. While these steps can help to some extent, they often do not address the deeper issue, supporting the actual filtering structures inside the kidneys. What we are about to explore is different. Certain natural foods contain compounds that may help support kidney function by reducing inflammation and improving circulation within the kidney tissue itself. These effects have been observed in multiple research studies and are gaining increasing attention in nutritional science. Now that you understand what is happening beneath the surface, we can begin exploring the first food on our list and how it contributes to kidney health in a very basic but still meaningful way. Let's start with food number 6, something almost everyone has seen before: watermelon with mint. At first glance, this seems simple, even ordinary. Watermelon is made up of more than 90% water, which naturally makes people assume it must be great for flushing the kidneys and improving hydration. In some ways, that assumption is partially correct. The high water content does help support fluid movement through the body, and mint adds a mild, soothing effect that may support digestion and urinary comfort. Research in renal nutrition suggests that water-rich fruits can slightly improve hydration status in older adults over time. However, the actual impact on kidney filtration itself is very limited. Hydration alone does not repair damaged kidney structures or restore filtering capacity that has declined with age. To put it simply, drinking more water or eating watery fruits is like cleaning the surface of a machine while the internal engine is still wearing down. It may help you feel slightly better, but it does not reverse the underlying decline happening inside the kidneys. There is also another important factor that most people overlook. Watermelon contains a moderate amount of potassium. For individuals with already weakened kidney function, excess potassium intake can sometimes become a concern, especially if they are taking certain medications like blood pressure drugs or diuretics. In those cases, potassium balance becomes more delicate and should not be ignored. This does not mean watermelon is harmful. It can still be part of a healthy diet, but it should be consumed in moderation. A small portion, such as a cup of diced watermelon, is generally more appropriate than large servings. Adding a few mint leaves can improve taste and digestion, but expectations should remain realistic. It is also best consumed earlier in the day when the kidneys are naturally more active in processing fluids. Overall, watermelon with mint plays a supporting role in hydration, but it does not directly rebuild or repair kidney filtration units. If we were to rate its effectiveness for kidney support, it would sit at around 4 out of 10. Now, moving forward, the next food combination brings slightly more depth and introduces compounds that begin to interact with inflammation and detox pathways in a more meaningful way. Food number 5 is a combination of cabbage, garlic, and turmeric. This trio is widely discussed in natural health circles, and for good reason. Each ingredient offers its own benefits. Cabbage is low in potassium and gentle on the kidneys. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that support internal cleansing pathways. Turmeric is known for curcumin, a compound widely studied for its anti-inflammatory effects. On paper, this looks like a powerful kidney-supporting combination. However, when we look at real-world absorption and effectiveness, the results are more moderate than most people expect. Studies on curcumin show that it can reduce inflammation markers, but the improvement is gradual and not dramatic in kidney-specific outcomes. One of the biggest limitations is absorption. Curcumin is not easily absorbed by the body unless it is paired with black pepper, which contains piperine. Without this combination, most of the turmeric you consume passes through the system with minimal effect. This is one of the most common mistakes people make. They add turmeric to food and assume it is working at full strength, when in reality, the active compounds are barely being utilized. That said, this combination still has value. Cabbage supports gut bacteria, garlic supports liver detoxification, and turmeric helps regulate systemic inflammation. Together, they create a broader internal balance between digestion, liver function, and kidney support. However, when it comes specifically to improving kidney filtration speed or reversing structural decline, the effect is relatively slow and indirect. Preparation also matters. Lightly cooking garlic helps preserve its active compounds. Steaming cabbage retains more nutrients than boiling, and adding black pepper to turmeric significantly improves its effectiveness. It is also important to note that turmeric can interact with certain medications, particularly blood thinners, so caution is necessary for individuals under medical treatment. If we rate this combination purely for kidney support, it sits around 6 out of 10. It is useful, but not transformative on its own. Now we move into more traditional herbal approaches, where things begin to get more interesting and significantly more targeted toward kidney function. Food number 4 is Punarnava tea, a traditional Ayurvedic herb that has been used for kidney and urinary health for centuries. The name itself translates to that which renews the body, which reflects its long-standing use in traditional medicine systems. Unlike general dietary foods, Punarnava is specifically associated with kidney and fluid balance support. Inside the kidneys, there are tubular cells responsible for reabsorbing nutrients and removing waste. When these cells become stressed or damaged over time, filtration efficiency drops. Punarnava contains active plant compounds that may support these structures and help regulate fluid retention. Research published in ethnopharmacology journals suggests that Punarnava extract may improve kidney filtration markers in individuals with early-stage decline. In some studies, improvements in fluid balance and swelling were observed within the first week of use. This is where things start to shift noticeably. People often report reduced puffiness, lighter legs, and less fluid retention when using it consistently. Preparation is simple. The dried root is steeped in hot water for several minutes and consumed as a tea, usually once or twice per day. The taste is earthy and slightly bitter, but not unpleasant. However, caution is necessary because it can influence how the kidneys process certain substances. Individuals on medications that depend on kidney clearance should consult a healthcare professional before use. Despite that, Punarnava represents a stronger, more direct approach compared to previous foods. It begins to interact with kidney function at a structural level rather than just supporting hydration or inflammation. For kidney support effectiveness, it ranks around 8 out of 10. Next, we move into foods that actively influence blood flow inside the kidneys, which is a major factor in filtration efficiency. Food number 3 is a juice combination made from beetroot, ginger, and carrot. This is where the mechanism of action becomes more dynamic. Beetroot contains natural nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. This compound helps relax and widen blood vessels, including those inside the kidneys, improving blood flow and filtration efficiency. Improved circulation means the kidneys can process more blood per minute, which directly supports toxin removal. Ginger adds another layer by reducing oxidative stress, while carrots provide antioxidants that help protect kidney cell structures from damage. Research has shown that dietary nitrates from beetroot can significantly improve renal blood flow in older adults within a short period of consistent use. Many people notice physical changes quickly, such as improved warmth in the extremities, reduced heaviness in the legs, and better overall circulation. However, this juice is not something to consume randomly. Fresh preparation is important because nitrate compounds degrade over time. It is best consumed immediately after preparation, ideally in the morning before meals. While effective, it requires consistency and daily use to maintain benefits. On a scale, this combination ranks around 8.5 out of 10. Making it one of the more powerful kidney-supporting options available in natural nutrition. Now we move into the top 2, where the effects become even more targeted toward kidney filtration and detoxification. Food number 2 is dandelion root tea with lemon. This herbal combination is one of the most effective natural diuretic supports available. Dandelion root contains compounds that stimulate both kidney filtration and liver bile production, creating a dual detox effect. Studies have shown that dandelion root extract can significantly increase urine output within hours, which indicates active stimulation of kidney function. When combined with lemon, citric acid helps reduce the risk of kidney stone formation by binding with calcium in the urinary system. Many users report noticeable improvements such as reduced swelling, clearer urine, and decreased facial puffiness within days of consistent use. Preparation requires steeping the root in hot water and consuming it fresh, as the active compounds degrade over time. However, it requires routine preparation, which may be inconvenient for some users. Despite that, its effectiveness makes it a strong candidate for kidney support, ranking around 9 out of 10. Finally, the number 1 food combination is parsley, celery, and cucumber. This blend contains a powerful mix of flavonoids that directly support kidney filtration, reduce inflammation, and promote fluid balance. Parsley provides apigenin, celery provides luteolin, and cucumber supports gentle hydration and toxin removal. Research suggests that consistent use of this combination may significantly improve kidney filtration markers and reduce fluid retention over time. Users often report reduced swelling within hours, improved energy within days, and noticeable changes in kidney-related symptoms within weeks. This blend is simple, affordable, and highly accessible, making it one of the most practical kidney-supporting routines available. To use it, blend fresh parsley, celery, and cucumber with water and drink it on an empty stomach each morning. However, consistency is essential. This is not a quick fix, but a daily habit that supports long-term kidney function. If you commit to it for 30 days, you may notice meaningful changes in how your body feels, from reduced puffiness to improved energy and mobility. Start tomorrow morning. One simple blend, one consistent habit, and one step toward better kidney support and overall wellness.